Zinc, an essential mineral.
Zinc is a trace mineral found in every cell of the body. Although it's often overshadowed by nutrients like iron or magnesium, zinc plays a crucial role in many functions. Your body doesn't store zinc well, so it's important to include it in your daily diet for maintaining optimal health, especially if you're active or pursuing fitness goals.
Zinc's role in immunity.
A strong immune system relies on adequate zinc. This mineral supports the development and function of immune cells that help fight off viruses and bacteria. Without enough zinc, your defenses can weaken, making you more prone to infections. Regular, sufficient intake helps keep your immune response efficient, reducing the risk of frequent illness.
Zinc and muscle repair.
Muscle recovery after exercise depends on several nutrients, including zinc. Zinc aids in cell growth and repair, helping muscles heal after intense workouts. It supports protein synthesis, which is essential for building and maintaining lean muscle mass. Fitness enthusiasts who don't get enough zinc may notice slower recovery and increased muscle soreness.
How much zinc do you need?
Adults typically need between 8 to 11 milligrams of zinc per day. Athletes or those training hard might have slightly higher requirements. Too little can impair immunity and muscle repair, but too much can cause side effects. Strive for balance, check nutrition labels, and consider your overall diet to meet your daily needs.
Best food sources of zinc.
You can find zinc in a variety of foods. Oysters, beef, and poultry are among the richest animal sources. For plant-based options, try beans, lentils, seeds, and nuts, although these may be less easily absorbed. Including a range of zinc-rich foods in your diet is key to supporting your immune health and muscle recovery.